The pre-market report of 21/6/2022. Today the center pivot of Nifty placed around 15,308. Top CPR is in 15,329 and bottom CPR is in 15,287. R1 placed in 15,425 and R2 placed in 15,499 and R3 placed in 15,616. S1 placed in 15,233 and S2 placed in 15,017 and S3 placed in 15,042. Today the center pivot of Bank Nifty placed around 32,679. Top CPR is in 32,682 and bottom CPR is in 32,677. Today the CPR with of Bank Nifty is very lean. It indicates the market going to be trend any one of the direction. R1 placed in 32,932 and R2 placed in 33,179 and R3 placed in 33,432 and S1 placed in 32,432 and S2 placed in 32,179 and S3 placed in 31,932. Yesterday all the US market was closed due to holiday in US, but Canadian index was up by 1.34%. It gives slight positive direction to our market. Yesterday all the European market closes firmly in green. Most of the market was up by 1%, especially Russian index was up by 3.21%. It gives positive direction to our market. Right now all the Asian market is trading firmly in green, except one Chinese market. All the market was in green. It gives positive direction to our market. Right now all the US and European futures trading firmly in green. It gives more positivity to our market. It indicates our market going to be trend towards up direction. We are trading around 15,398. Our previous day close is 15,350. It indicates market going to open in 50 points gap up, as well as SGS Nifty also indicating market going to open somewhere around 15,398. It is also indicating market going to open 40-50 points gap up. Yesterday the foreign institutional investor sold for 1,217 crores and the domestic institutional investor bought for 2,093 crores. The overall institutional activity is in buy side. It gives slight positive direction to our market. Moreover, FIIs reduce the selling. It is also give more positivity to our market. This is option sign data in NSE website. Here we can see which option has highest open interest. Right now in put side 15,000 put option has highest open interest. It has 1,12,665 contract in open condition, as well as 15,500 call option has highest open interest. It has 1,32,518 contract in open condition. So the option writers believe market going to be expired by this week 15,000 to 15,500. That's why they write a huge number of call option from 15,800 to 15,500, but there is no hardly put writing in downside. So they believe market going to be expired at the down direction only. But today the scenes are little changed because yesterday US market was closed, but all the European market closes in positive, and moreover today morning US futures are trading firmly in green. So it changed the feeling of the market. I hope market going to be rallied towards up direction today. So the call writing may be changed or unwinded today. The foreign institutional investor has 15% long in index future, as well as they have 85% short in index future. The domestic institutional investor has 55% long in index future, as well as 45% short in index future. FIIs and DIs are increased their long position day by day. Day before yesterday, FIIs 30% long. Yesterday they were 14% long. Now the 15% long. They increases the long position 1% by every day. As well as DA, day before yesterday there was 40% long. Yesterday there was 50% long. Now the long position was slightly increases by 55%. It indicates the market going to be trend towards up direction. This is Nifty chart. Here I am going to explain where the FIIs has huge number of short position. FAS has huge number of short position at 13th of this month. They have 85% short position here. From 16,200 to 15,800, there was a huge number of short position for FA. Until the market will reach there, they won't make any huge move, because if the market reach 15,800, they can sell heavily and bring the market come down. But if DAI bars the market and closes above 15,800, it will become a huge rally up to 16,200. I hope market, if face resistance as 15,800, it will come down again. If DAI support to break 15,800, and it leads to huge rally to 16,200, because FAS has huge short position here. They won't allow market break 15,800 by this week. If DAI brings the market back and closes above 15,800, it leads the market trend towards the 16,200. The overall conclusion is, yesterday US market was closed, all the European market was closed firmly in green. Right now all the Asian market is trading in positive. US future is also trading in positive. European future is also trading in positive. Nifty future and SCS Nifty indicating positive opening in gap up more than 40 points. FAS in sell side as well as DA in buy side. Option traders believe market won't break 15,700 in upside as well as 14,950 in downside. This is Nifty chart in trading view. I marked the center pivot, top CPR, bottom CPR in white, as well as R1, R2, R3 in green. Previous day low in dotted red, previous day high in dotted green. After that I marked S1, S2, S3 in red. Right now SCS Nifty and Nifty future indicating market going to open somewhere around 15,400, exactly at day before yesterday high. If market opens there, don't take any position, because market may face resistance at R1 and came down. So don't take any position at initially. Just wait market to break 15,400 with firm green candle. Whenever market breaks 15,400 with firm green candle, you can buy nearby call option and keep the stop loss just below the candle. Book your profit at R2, or you can trail up to R3. This is our final conclusion. I hope market will going to be rally towards up direction today. Don't take any position initially, because market going to be open exactly at the day before yesterday's high. If market opens day before yesterday's high, it may face resistance at R1 and came down. So don't take any position initially. Wait to market break R1 and previous day high with firm green candle. Whenever market breaks R1 and previous day high with firm green candle, you can enter at this candle close. That means you can buy nearby call option, 15,400 call option. Keep your stop loss just below the candle. Book your profit at R2, or you can trail up to R3. And moreover, mark this yesterday's candle, because market will not fell below this candle. Beyond expectation, if market faced resistance at R1 and came down, just wait market took support around 15,287. This is very important level. Here the DAS bought heavily, so they won't allow the market to break 15,287. So just wait to market took support 15,287, and then you can buy a nearby call option. That means 15,300 call option. Book your profit at previous day high, or you can trail up to R2 or R3. I hope market will not come here, but beyond expectation, if market opens higher and came down, just wait market to reach 15,287. Once market reaches 15,287, after it took support, buy nearby call option and book your profit at day high or R1, or you can trail up to R2. This is our final conclusion. Market never break this candle, because they had huge number of long position here.